Ever wondered how to create faceless videos with AI? The digital age has ushered in remarkable technology that's transforming video creation. One such advancement is the concept of faceless videos, a game changer for content creators. Instead of spending hours in front of the camera, you can now create compelling videos without showing your face. How, you ask? Through the power of artificial intelligence. AI in video creation is like having your very own production team at your fingertips. This is where InVideo and ChatGPT come into the picture. These tools harness the power of AI, enabling you to create faceless videos that captivate your audience. InVideo uses AI to generate scripts, create scenes, add voiceovers, and make tweaks based on your instructions. On the other hand, ChatGPT, an AI language model, can help draft your scripts, making your job even easier. Today we will explore how you can use InVideo and ChatGPT to create your own faceless videos. Let's dive right in. InVideo is an innovative tool that makes video creation simple. Let's delve into the world of InVideo, a platform that's revolutionizing the way we create and interact with video content. It's the epitome of what a modern, user-friendly, and intelligent video creation tool should be. So what's the magic behind InVideo? It all starts with the power of artificial intelligence. Enter any topic into the InVideo AI and watch as it transforms your idea into a fully fledged script. It's like having a professional scriptwriter at your fingertips, ready to turn your thoughts into compelling narratives. But the magic doesn't stop there. Once your script is ready, InVideo takes things a step further by creating scenes. It's like having your personal director who knows exactly how to bring your script to life. It meticulously crafts each scene to ensure your video flows seamlessly from one frame to the next. Adding a voiceover is the next step in the process. With InVideo, you have the power to add a voice that perfectly matches the tone and style of your video. Whether you want a dynamic, energetic voice or a calm, soothing one, InVideo has got you covered. Now here comes the part that truly sets InVideo apart: its ability to make adjustments to the video based on your commands. Imagine having a professional video editor who could make changes to your video with just a few simple text commands. Want to change the pace, tweak the color grading, or adjust the audio levels? Just type it in and InVideo will make it happen. InVideo is not just a video creation tool, it's your personal video production team. It's designed to give you full control over your video creation process, allowing you to customize and tweak your video until it's just right. And the best part? Every generated video is unique. With InVideo, you're not just creating videos, you're creating masterpieces that are as unique as your ideas. With InVideo, turning your ideas into unique videos is effortlessly simple. ChatGPT is another powerful tool that can assist in video creation. This is not just any ordinary tool, but a product of OpenAI's research in machine learning. It has been designed to generate human-like text based on the prompts you feed it, making it an ideal partner when you're scripting your video. Imagine having a brainstorming session with an AI that can generate creative, engaging, and coherent scripts on any topic you choose. That's the magic of ChatGPT. You simply give it a topic, and it generates a script, almost like a professional scriptwriter at your service. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT is also capable of understanding instructions related to your target audience and the platform you're creating content for. This means you can customize the tone, style, and level of complexity in your script to suit your specific audience. Whether it's a fun and casual script for a TikTok video or a more formal and informative one for a LinkedIn post, ChatGPT can tailor it for you. And the best part? You don't need any coding or technical skills to operate ChatGPT. It's as easy as typing in a text command. Want to change the tone of your script? Just ask ChatGPT. Need to make your script more engaging? ChatGPT can do that too. It's like having a conversation with your own personal script editor. The possibilities with ChatGPT are truly endless. It's a game changer for content creators, saving you time and effort in script writing, and allowing you to focus on what you do best: creating engaging videos that captivate your audience. The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. With tools like ChatGPT, video creation is no longer a daunting task, but an exciting journey. So why not give it a try? Start scripting with ChatGPT and see where your creativity takes you. With simple text commands, you can make big or small changes to the generated video, almost as if you're speaking to your own video editor. Now, let's see how InVideo and ChatGPT can work together to create faceless videos. Imagine having an idea and wanting to convert it into a video. With InVideo and ChatGPT, this is not just possible, but astonishingly simple. Let's delve into how these two tools can be used in conjunction. Your first step is to input your idea into ChatGPT. This could be anything from a blog post, an outline, or even a simple sentence. ChatGPT, using its language processing prowess, will generate a comprehensive script based on your input. This isn't just any script, it's one that's engaging, coherent, and tailored to your specified target audience. Now that you have your script, the next step is to fire up InVideo. InVideo's AI gets to work, transforming your script into a storyboard of scenes. This isn't a one-size-fits-all process. The AI takes into consideration the nuances of your script, the mood, the tone, and even the intended platform. Next, it's time for voiceovers. While you always have the option to record your own, InVideo's AI can generate a voiceover for you. You get to choose the voice, its pace, and tone. It's like having a professional voice actor at your beck and call. But what if you want to make changes? What if you want a scene to be more dramatic or the voiceover to be slower? That's where the magic of text commands comes in. With simple text instructions, you can tweak the video to your liking. It's like having a conversation with your personal video editor. Moreover, you have complete editing control. You can change the script, swap out media, and even use InVideo's fully powered video editor to add your personal touch. The interface is user-friendly, and the possibilities are endless. By combining these two tools, you can have complete control over your video creation process. You're not just creating videos, you're crafting stories, engaging audiences, and bringing your ideas to life. All this without ever having to show your face on camera. It's creativity unbounded. It's InVideo and ChatGPT. Creating the video is just the first step. Next, we need to fine-tune it. Now this is where the magic really happens. You see, generating a video with AI, like InVideo and ChatGPT, is a fantastic starting point. It does the heavy lifting and saves you hours of work. But to make the video truly yours, to make it resonate with your audience and fit seamlessly on your chosen platform, you need to tweak it. Here's the exciting part. With these AI tools, tweaking isn't a chore. It's not about fiddling with complex editing software or poring over minute details. Instead, you can make significant or subtle changes using simple text commands. Think of it like having a chat with your own personal video editor. You're in the director's chair, and the AI is your crew, ready and waiting to bring your vision to life. Let's say your video needs a more upbeat tone to match your audience's energy. Just type in a command like, "Make the music more lively," and the AI will adjust the soundtrack accordingly. Or perhaps you want to emphasize a key point with compelling visuals. Just instruct the AI to add an infographic here, and it will do exactly that. This level of control isn't just about aesthetics or style, it's about creating a video that works effectively on your chosen platform. Every platform has its own quirks and preferences. A video that shines on Instagram might not have the same impact on LinkedIn, but with the flexibility of text commands, you can tailor your video to each platform with ease. Remember, your video is a conversation with your audience. And just like any good conversation, it needs to be engaging, relevant, and tailored to the listener. That's why tweaking your video is so crucial. It's your opportunity to fine-tune the message, adjust the tone, and ensure your video hits the mark every time. With InVideo and ChatGPT, making adjustments to your video is as easy as typing a text message. Not only does this save you time and effort, but it also empowers you to create more engaging and effective videos. So why not start your video creation journey today? Creating faceless videos with AI has never been easier. We've journeyed through the dynamic world of InVideo and the intelligent universe of ChatGPT, and we've seen how these two can be combined to create unique, engaging content. Remember, it all begins with a simple text prompt. The AI then gets to work, generating a script, creating scenes, adding voiceovers, and tweaking the video as per your command. It's like having your own personal video editor, one who's always ready to adapt and evolve with your needs. Remember, you can take your videos from concept to completion with just a few easy steps. And the best part? Every video you generate will be unique, a testament to your ideas and creativity. This is the power of AI in video creation. With these tools at your disposal, you're now ready to create engaging, faceless videos tailored to your audience.